Many others would like to start trading today, but they're not willing to learn the basics of crypto trade. I want you to know this one thing. Many beginners fail within their first week of embarking on the journey of crypto trading. And here's why. They don't understand the simple concept of trading pairs. So it's to this course that I'm going to take some time to break down little by little what trading pairs are, why they matter the most, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step blueprint to start trading the right way. Let's take a ride. Welcome back, and thank you so much for sticking by. Let's start with the basics. In a traditional stock market, you use your local currency to buy stocks. That could be euros, US dollars, or even pounds. But crypto is a whole different beast. There are over 10,000 cryptocurrencies out there. If each exchange could pair one coin to each local bank currency, we would actually have a logistical nightmare, which is why we use what we call trading pairs. What then are trading pairs? A trading pair is simply two cryptocurrencies that can be traded for each other. But instead of USD to Euro, you have Bitcoin to Ethereum. You can trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, that is BTC/ETH, or Polkadot for Litecoin, that is DOT/LTC. The secret to success is understanding the hows of this pair. Every trading pair has what we call the best currency and what we call the quote currency. The best currency is what you are selling or what you're buying, while the quote currency, this is the second currency which is listed on the right. In a case where you have BTC/USDT, USDT is actually the quote currency and BTC is the best currency. The quote currency does one thing. It tells how much of the quote currency that you have to spend to buy 1 unit of the best currency. Here's the magic. Because BTC and Ethereum are actually popular, they serve as a bridge. Instead of forcing you to change your coins into dollars, exchanges let you trade directly. For instance, if you have Litecoin and you want to buy Polkadot, you don't need to sell your Polkadot for USDT Tether. You can just look for DOT/LTC pair and swap them instantly. This saves you time and cuts on unnecessary trading fees. So why does this matter for your wallet? First, for broader access. Some altcoins can only be bought with Ethereum or Bitcoin. If you are using cash to buy cryptocurrency, then you are actually missing out on thousands of potential gems out there. Then secondly, profit margins. Let's say Bitcoin is going up against dollar, but Ethereum is going up even faster than Bitcoin. By trading ETH/BTC pair, you can multiply the stack of Bitcoin without even adding any other money. It's a whole new level of trading. Then number 3, arbitrage opportunities. Different exchanges have different prices. Understanding pairs allows you to spot price differences and buy low on one pair and sell high on another. Simply put, if you ignore trading pairs, you're actually trading with one hand tied behind your back. All right, you've got the theory. The question now is, how do you start trading? That's the question that I'll be answering in the next video. So if you haven't yet followed me, I urge you to hit that follow button. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that the time I'll be rolling out that next video, you don't miss out on it. I'll see you in the next video.